Oh, 25th. When we did the blueprint of reading section, I told you in part C there are two types of questions, right? One is
Yes.
fill in the blanks, and another one is rearrangement. Text the disorder. Okay.
Okay.
So 25th. First of all, read the question. Malka, can you read the question?
Uh, Cette ville est très belle.
Hmm.
Donc, j'habite dans le centre avec Caroline.
Hmm.
Je suis en vacances à Brésil.
Hmm.
Quatre, on visite les musées ensemble.
Okay. So according to both of you, what can be the proper, order of these sentences?
We have to
The
in
city.
this way for the pattern, yeah.
Yeah.
It's like which one is first, second, and third.
Hmm. Yes. You have to find the correct pattern. What will be the starting line, then followed by other lines. This city is very beautiful. Obviously, nobody will start line like this. No? This city is very beautiful. I live in the center with Korean. I am on vacations at Brazil. We visit the Musée Ensemble.
Is it B?
We? No. First of all, we'll talk about the city now. What is the city? Je suis
Okay,
en
just
vacances.
back to Brazil.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, wait, then,
So,
So
so
the
see.
three.
Yes,
then,
C.
oh
So
yeah,
we
C.
wait. We
Okay,
have we have two options, A and C, right?
yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we have to see either it's one or two. Je suis en vacances à Brazil. This city is very beautiful. I live in the
So
center with Corinne.
you have three, one,
Okay.
then two,
3, 1,
then
2,
last
and 4.
four.
C option
So
means
C.
C.
yes. Answer is C. Okay. 26th. Okay. 26th exercise. Pavan, can you read?
Yes, ma'am. Un, je cherche un ami en Europe.
Hmm.
Deux, salut, je m'appelle Adrien.
Hmm.
Adrien. Trois, j'aimerais correspondre avec lui.
Hmm.
Quatre, je suis québécoise. Et j'ai 14,
Hmm.
14 ans.
Yes. So I'm searching a friend in Europe. Salut, je m'appelle Adrien. My name is Adrien.
Start from the second number.
Yes.
Salut.
I
Is
would
it
love to correspond with. Yes. What were you saying, Malka?
is it B?
Okay. Okay. I would love to correspond with him.
So two, then je
I
suis
am.
québécoise et j'ai
And
14
I
ans.
am
The
Portuguese.
friend,
Oh.
then
Okay.
je
Okay.
cherche un ami de York. After that is the three.
Yes. So what will be the answer?
It's
B.
According to Malka, it's B. Okay, Pavan.
yeah, it's B.
Yes,
Two,
because one will
four,
say
one, and three.
yes.
Yeah.
Hi, my name is Adrian. I am Quebecois and I'm 14 years old.
And
I'm
je
Searching a
cherche.
friend. Yes. The answer is
and
B.
then
Yeah. Okay, Malka, can you read question 27?
yeah. Je t'embrasse. Tu je suis à Londres pour quelques mois.
Hmm.
Toi, j'espérais que tu vas
Sorry.
bientôt venir me voir.
Hmm.
Car j'aime cette ville, mais je ne parle pas bien anglais.
Yes. 27 first. First is Je t'embrasse. Je t'embrasse it's a how it's
The
we
hug.
end with this line.
Yeah.
Sorry,
It's like
like we have to say bye, na. So
bye.
they
Yes, ma'am. So when we hug the other one.
yeah. So it's always in the end.
Yeah.
Je suis à Londres. So it's always in the end. So what will be the answer? See if we
It is
know at
B.
least.
B.
B.
Yeah.
B because one will be the
The
ending.
starting line says yes, we are laundry.
Je suis à Londres. And Je t'embrasse, we know we always say this line
Is
at
the
the end.
last. Yes.
So 1 B. Okay, 28th. Okay, Pawan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Vous allez d'abord chercher Eric à l'école
Hmm.
afin à la maison vous lui donner un bain. Voilà votre programme pour ce soir.
Hmm.
Puisse-vous l'émoner
Hmm.
au jardin.
Yes. So first one is you are going firstly to search Eric at the school. Enfin, at the house you give him a bath. Voila, your program for this evening. Okay, then you carry him to the garden.
The starting line from the Voilà votre programme pour ce soir.
Yes.
And then
And see, enfin. See the second sentence, enfin. The sentence with enfin always comes in
is
the
that the
end.
last one?
Yeah, so answer is
So it's the A.
yes. Clear? So have you
Yes.
understood that if we know at least one sentence or two sentences, now we can find our answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Done, Pavan and Malka?
Yeah. Some of the word I don't understand.
Okay. So first word is pele. Pele is an ER verb. It means to peel.
See,
To peel. Next is goose. Goose dal, na? Goose is goose there is a clove of garlic.
Garlic, peel the garlic
Yes.
pods.
So peel the garlic pods and frotte. Frotte is an ER verb. It means to rub or to scrub. To scrub the tranche.
Slice.
Yes. To scrub the slices of bread, grille. Grille means
So grilled.
yes. So peel the cloves of garlic and scrub the pieces of grilled bread. Next is saupudre. So pudre. No, it means to spread something. To spread something.
it's great. Okay.
Spread the toast of paprika.
And serve short and
Paprika
serve
is a kind
hot.
of spice and serve hot.
This one is the last.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So two number at last. What can be the answer?
D.
Yes. But we should discuss all the words. Coupe. Coupe ER verb to
It's a
cut.
cut. Yes, ma'am.
To cut the bread in pieces.
Make a grill.
Make a grill. Next is depose. Depose is to leave. Leave below a decimal is below. Cuillere.
It's a spoon.
Yes. Cuillere is spoon. Cuillere is spoonful of. Brondad. Brondad means it's a name of a dish. And brondad de moriu, it means salt, poured and potato mash. And pass them to four. Four you can write. Four is oven. Okay. Now see, we know how if the place where serve is written. So that is second. Okay. So how
Yes,
can we
ma'am.
start?
It's from the cut the
We start
bread
from
into
peeling.
slices
Yeah.
and grill.
Hmm.
Peeling we will cut,
And
Then
then
one.
peel the
Hmm.
and then we will make the toast.
Yes.
Uh, and we will put the paprika and
Hmm.
put it
and serve
so it
short.
will be
Yes. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
yes.
30th question. Have one reading. of 2 minutes. Okay, shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
So this person se trompe. Se trompe is a reflexive verb to make a mistake. Se trompe is to make a mistake. Etiquette is label. Fourth bar is barcode. Fourth bar is barcode.
What is the meaning of etiquette?
Etiquette is label. Next, it will be renvoyer. Renvoyer is to send again. Okay, next is thanks. To forward it to us plus rapidement possible. Plus rapidement possible means as rapidly as possible. Fourth is suite à l'appel. Suite is following. Following the call of Madame Ribou, I inform you that the devoir or homework, devoir is homework, that the homework that you have received to this name is in fact a homework of grammar. So 30th question, what will be the first or the last sentence? As we have read these four sentences, according to you, what can be the first sentence? Anybody? Pavan, Malka, Kiran?
Il sera rénové. The reception professor
Is
for
there a
it.
wrong for here?
It will, yeah, be sent to reception with professor for the grammar.
It could be, but don't you think fourth sentence following to the call of Madame Rebo,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
inform
Fourth.
you. Yes,
Then
because fourth line is kind of giving you the introduction of what has happened.
Yeah. No, you're saying last or first, you're asking.
Okay, okay. You are
the
asking. You're
first.
talking about the last sentence.
Yeah, I was saying the last one.
Okay, okay, okay. Yes.
Yeah, first is like a fourth.
Yeah.
The first
Comes
is
like
fourth, and last
two.
one is second.
Okay.
Yeah.
But we have
And
two options.
there
Four and two. D four and two.
And
two, okay, first, let's see the net where having replaced rapid policy. And then,
fourth, then
Sarah. Mm,
A.
so it will be D.
Okay. So, but
Okay.
the answer is A
Yeah.
because
A
Yes, ma'am. It's A.
yes, because
or one.
see, initially they are talking about what is the problem that falling to the call of Madame Rebo.
Yeah,
I inform you that the homework that you have sent, you have received to this name is at this name is in fact a homework of grammar. Okay, next. This person made a mistake of barcode label or thanks for making it, thanks for forwarding it to us as soon as possible. No, na. First of all, he will say the error has been done. Then why the error has been committed? Because this person made a mistake of barcode label. Then you will say thanks for forwarding it to us as soon as possible. It will be sent again to the reception of the professor, corrector professor of grammar.
yeah,
Okay. So 4132.
yeah.
Okay, 31
Okay.
exercise. First of all, read all the four sentences and note down all the difficult words. Okay, these are the sont-elle. These are those who have assured the market of village during the war. Guerre is war. Okay, these are those who have assured the market of village during the war. Now, Kiran, obviously this sentence can never be the first sentence, right? Because they are starting it from anything like these are those.
Yes.
So it can never be the first sentence. Okay, next we'll read the next sentence. Dans la pagode du village. Pagode. Anybody knows pagode?
No.
Pagod is a temple, Buddhist temple. It's a Buddhist temple or it's a pavilion. Okay. In the pavilion of the village, the women bring the tea. Next, their role is C important. C important means very important, so important. Their role is so important that one surnom them. Surnom में er verb is to nickname. Their role is so important that one nicknames them the généraux de l'intérieur. Généraux means general, integral part. The integral part of the interior. Interior means inside of the house or inside of the village. These are those today who are, who stay awake for the prosperity of the village. Vaye is to take care, to stay awake, or to ensure. Vaye, it means to stay awake, to ensure. So these are those today who take care of the prosperity of the village. Okay. Now we have four sentences. These are those who have assured the working of village during the war. Okay. In the pavilion of the village, the women drink the tea. Their role is so important that one nicknames them the integral part of the interior. These are those today who take care of the prosperity of the village.
It's B.
Okay. Okay. So what can be the first sentence?
Second one.
So two.
Dans la
Two.
pagode, the village.
Yes. Next.
This now found as Sri Lamar's village and
Hmm.
then Sabri.
Hmm.
The role is important on the surnom les looks de l'intérieur. At last, ce sont elles aujourd'hui qui veillent à la prospérité de village.
So answer is
B.
B.
no. Wait. First sentence should be second sentence. Second one, right? In the
Yeah.
Yes.
pagoda village. Okay. The women drink the tea. They are those who assured, or these are those today who look after the. Don't you think? Well, after second sentence, we have to talk. We talk about fourth sentence. Like in the pavilion of the village, the women drink the tea. These are those. Now you are also right that first sentence could also be the second one, right? These are those who have assured the market of village during the war. But if you see the third sentence, their role is so important that one nicknames them the generals of the interior. One nicknames them means present tense. So first of all, they talk about two, then they are talking about today. Today they take care of the prosperity of the village.
The
Their
role.
role is so important that one nicknames them the Généraux de l'Intérieur. These are those who have assured. Now we'll talk about past tense. Who have assured the working of village during the war.
Hmm.
Okay, just because they have also given this third line, that's why answer is A.
Make okay, yeah, because they said their role is important, but if we put one,
Yes,
it's not the
yes,
it's not gonna be the whose role, like it's not gonna be completed.
yes.
Yeah,
Clear?
yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
Kiran, clear?
Yes.
Okay, now are you understanding what is this exercise about?
Yes, ma'am.
yes.
Okay, now last question. Les artistes harcelés. Through fear of harceler is an ER verb to harass. So the harassed artists or the harassed artist. Arsel is harassed. If it's an ER verb, to harass. Okay, the harassed artist through fear of reprisal. Reprisal is reprisal, retaliation. Through fear of retaliation, choose in fact the silence. Moral harassment. He has decided to act in the name of all those who certes.
What is Cetastation?
Certes. Certes, no?
Surface? Yeah, surface.
Certes is it's actually certer. The verb is certer. So it means to keep quiet about, to be
Okay.
quiet about, or to be silent about. So victim of moral harassment, he has decided to act in the name of all those who are silent about it. Next is the singer amore. Poursuit. It's to pursue or to chase. Next is maison de disque. ये है record company. Record company. Where songs are edited. Maison de disque is record company where songs are edited. Next is the verdict will fall in a month. We hold you okuro. Okuro means teniro kuro is it's actually a tenir verb. Teniro kuro means to let somebody know. So the translation of line is the verdict will fall in a month. We will let you know. Okay. So what should be the first sentence? Kiran, can you try?
Mm,
Read the sentences. According to you, what should be the first sentence? Which sentence, according to you, gives the kind of introduction, kind of introduce the whole situation?
mm. It's
Hmm.
maison de discussion. Um,
Hmm.
maybe third one
Yes, it is the third one. So now we know the first sentence
because
is third one, right? So we have two options, A and C.
it's third one.
No, no, no. The sentence, first sentence should be
Yeah, it's
third one,
third.
right?
Yeah,
So there are two options for first sentence of third is A and C. We have two options now, A and C.
yes, yes.
So now, what should be the second sentence, Malka? Or according to you, what can be the last sentence?
Song. Four.
Yes. Because if you read all the sentences, the verdict will fall in a month. We will let you know. Obviously,
No.
we say this line, we will let you know only when we are going to end our conversation, right?
Yeah.
So we know the first sentence is 3, the last sentence is 4. So we have only this option,
Answer
A
is up.
option.
Yeah.
Is
Hey.
Yeah.
clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.